Another girly drink. Here we go. Polar Ice Berry Blizzard. Here we go. Can is kind of cool. Amber says we have done this. We haven't.
I swore we've done this.
No, we haven't.
But
we're going to split this up.
beautiful May 2-4.
All right. You want the can?
I'll take the can.
That should be good. Here. That right there.
Smells like the blue freezy.
I might have to save you a little sip of this, Mike.
Oh, no.
Why? Look at it.
It smells like blue freezy.
This. Yeah. Okay, we gotta go for it. Ready?
Ready, set,
Cheers.
go. Cheers.
That's good. That's good. For a girly drink, that's 8.5.
Yeah, I agree.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's smooth, tasty, and fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying this one.
Yeah.
I could chug that back.
I could. I'm not. It's
Why?
nice and warm. It's nice and hot out. I'm gonna.
She's going to sit back and enjoy it.
Try to get a little tan.
This is a good girly drink. It certainly is.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll be back again.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Just a quickie for you, too. Look at that.
Quickie.
Cheers.